In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, every second counts. Market conditions can shift dramatically in the blink of an eye. This volatility necessitates quick and efficient asset transfers. Traders need to capitalize on opportunities as they arise. Waiting for lengthy transfer confirmations can mean the difference between profit and loss. Fast transfers are not just a convenience, they are essential for success in the crypto market. Traders often operate across multiple exchanges, seeking the best prices and liquidity. This requires moving assets quickly and seamlessly between platforms. A delay in transferring USDT from Bitigate to Binance, for example, could mean missing out on a lucrative trade opportunity. The ability to move assets rapidly empowers traders to act decisively and stay ahead of the curve. While transferring USDT between exchanges seems simple, several challenges can arise. Network congestion can lead to significant delays, leaving your funds in limbo for hours or even days. High transaction fees, particularly during peak times, can eat into your profits. Technical issues, such as incorrect network selections or blockchain errors, can further complicate the process, leading to frustration and potential financial losses. Navigating these challenges requires understanding the intricacies of blockchain technology and exchange-specific procedures. Selecting the wrong network for your transfer, such as choosing Ethereum when a faster and cheaper alternative is available, can result in unnecessary delays and fees. Furthermore, each exchange may have specific requirements for incoming transfers, such as destination tags or memos, that, if overlooked, can lead to your funds being lost or stuck in transit. Transferring USDT from Bitigate to Binance is a straightforward process when you follow the right steps. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your USDT wallet. Click on Deposit and select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Choose the appropriate network for your transfer, carefully considering the associated fees and processing times. Binance will provide you with a unique deposit address and, if required, a destination tag or memo. Next, log into your Bitigate account and go to your USDT wallet. Click on Withdraw and enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. In the recipient address field, paste the USDT deposit address you obtained from Binance. Double-check the address for any errors. If a destination tag or memo is required, enter it in the designated field. Review all the details carefully, including the selected network and associated fees, before confirming the withdrawal. To ensure smooth and efficient USDT transfers, always double-check the recipient address before confirming your transaction. Even a minor error can result in the irreversible loss of your funds. Understand network fees and their impact on transfer speed. During periods of high congestion, consider using a higher gas fee to prioritize your transaction and reduce confirmation times. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements of both the sending and receiving exchanges to avoid any surprises or delays. Remember that while speed is crucial in crypto trading, it should never come at the expense of security. Always prioritize the safety of your funds by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being wary of phishing attempts. By following these tips and staying informed about best practices, you can navigate the world of USDT transfers with confidence and efficiency. I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll dive deeper into one of these methods.